My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called Live Weather Report. Live Weather Report is indeed an unwanted browser extension that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to trick users into installing this extension, and this extension actually would function as adware. Periodically, it may display intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. This extension is often spread without asking users permission at all. So if it was somewhere or another installed into your Google Chrome browser, you definitely need to undertake the measures and remove it. So access the menu, click on Extensions, then choose Manage Extensions. If you find these extensions, simply remove it and remove other extensions that are not needed. Also, I recommend you to research the computer with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start carefully examining the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.